Welcome back to Art of Adventure. I'm Art. This is my son Ben. And today, we're going to do the right thing.
We're going to try to clean it out before we fire it up. Because that's the fun part.
Yeah.
We know it turns a little bit with
Yeah.
our ratchet, but...
Yeah,
so
we're going to clean out the interior of it. And
probably pressure wash it too.
Yeah, clean it up a little bit. We'll see how that goes. And my father-in-law, Larry, is coming over for a little bit. And what's he going to do?
He's going to assess the back end situation of the boat.
Of the boat. Yes.
He's going to, see if we can replace the wood.
Yeah, we have all that rotten wood in the back end there. He's going to see if we can fix. And we'll go from there. We're looking forward to the project here. It's already been a blast. I thank you so much for all the comments and all the subscribers so far of this project. It's been a blast. I mean, we're getting comments from all over the world.
Yep.
And it's been amazing. A lot of good advice that you guys have been giving, so keep it up. That's great. One thing we are wrestling with is a name for the boat. I mean, we come up with some names like the Polished Turd. I don't like it. It's not going to work. So if you guys could help me out with that, comment down below. And, well, I don't know if it's down below. Everybody always says down below. I don't know where it is on a regular computer. Maybe everybody watches on the phone.
Yep.
But anyway, comment. See what your thoughts are on a name. And if we like it, we'll give you a shout out. That would be absolutely amazing. So we're going to start out by cleaning out the interior.
Yep.
The boat here. We're searching for hidden treasures. Oh, I didn't see anything there.
Oh, by the way, this is Ben. You know him. This is his wife, Abby.
Yeah.
She's helping today. How do you feel about digging through this mess, Abby?
I'm not sure exactly how I feel about it. Mixed emotions.
Spare parts in there, electrical outlets, covers, WD-40. Got some flares.
Hey, that's pretty neat.
Ones that looks like they've been chewed open by a dinosaur or something.
That's probably no good.
Yeah. Miscellaneous parts. Stern drive cover. Probably the most decent looking thing on the boat. I don't know, cracked it. Alright, what else do we got? Is there anything underneath that seat? Nothing real valuable in that one. Oh, that's not for this boat. There's a wrench. This stuff come with this boat?
There's spark plugs in here.
Yeah, that was all in that.
Okay.
Except for the alternator.
Yeah. What's in there?
Bunch of spark plugs. And speaker, I think. Are those speakers?
Yeah, those speakers.
What in the world? Oh, there's a new
There's a
prop.
prop. That actually looks like really. Let's get that out.
That looks pretty neat.
I can't push it up. It has to be like pulled out.
Okay, well. Sure, stick my hand in here. Wow.
Wash my feet.
Oh. Yeah?
Ugh. Okay, I need.
That's not a bad prop. Got a little nick out of it, but.
It's a little.
Nicks here and there.
Yeah, it's a little corroded. It's not new.
No, it's not
But-
new. Look.
It'd be
That's
a
not bad.
good spare.
Good backup prop.
I like it.
Alright, let's search this beef room.
Wow.
It's stuck. So I'll take the camera in here. Alright, so we have got neat little mirror. That's kind of cool. Oh my goodness. What's it look like under the throne? Not too bad. Got some Aqua Chem concentrated liquid holding tank deodorant. That look nasty. Ugh. Not sure I should be digging in here, folks. That thing doesn't open. Oh, there we go. That's a deep little cubby. Nothing in it. Got my underwear stuck on the door handle. It's got some miscellaneous junk in it. Nice shaggy carpet. Oh, some hose clamps. 2 hose clamps.
2.
We'll probably use
They
those
look
for
very
something. Alright, what we got up top? I mean up front.
A wasp nest?
A wasp nest. Perfectly good in wasp nest. Wasp nest.
Dog hair, there's nothing under there.
Oh!
Folks.
Oh!
That is all a wasp
Oh, that's bad. That's bad. Oh,
Oh, that's
we'll
scary.
just.
That is very scary. See, look at all the dead wasps all over the seats. and
Where?
the yellow
Oh, yeah,
jackets.
you're right.
We'll just ignore it.
There's the wasp there.
There's
Yellow
a wasp
jackets.
there. There's a wasp there.
Whew.
Yellow jackets.
I'm not sure I want to pull up the rest of those
Yeah,
seats, folks.
me neither.
We'll let Dad do that. Exactly. I don't know.
Under this one, I picked it up.
Not a big
Not
fan of
much.
those
There's
things.
an anchor. Wow, seriously.
Oh yeah, nice big. Okay, that's the best compartment yet that we found.
It's
Most useful one.
the cleanest.
Yeah, that's a nice big anchor. Anchors. Is there anything under the front seats? You know?
I did not lift it up. There's too much stuff on it. But okay, I'm gonna.
No, that was just this wood. So that one's wasp nest, full of wasp nest. That one's full of anchor.
Anchor.
Fancy
Really?
fire extinguisher.
Way of explaining things.
It's kind
It's still full.
It's still full of fire extinguisher. Yeah. Okay, well that about concludes the compartments.
We've got moss growing on the inside here. So that's pretty neat. Oh, yellow jackets.
Look at all them everywhere.
They're everywhere, but they're dead. So I can accept that. This wonderful, ugly, yellowish, orangish trim stuff that's almost not there anymore. That's all just getting eliminated, and we're just going to put like regular wood trim on there. That's the plan. So we'll see. This bathroom setup, it's basically just a closet with the toilet in it is all it is. So I don't know. We're thinking seriously on that door.
Yeah.
I'll just break the bottom end of the door.
Oh wait. Oh.
Woo! Okay. So seriously considering, because we're gonna have to redo this whole wall. Seriously considering just taking this whole closet bathroom thing out. We can put the little portable toilet under a seat in the front.
Whack it off there. Unscrew it there.
Yeah. So it'll kind of open this whole area up. And this thing we could put like a shelf and countertop maybe even like one of those portable AC units underneath the countertop, so we can get some AC in here because
Yeah.
I can tell already it's going to get mighty toasty. Ooh,
Oh, that way. Oh, it opens that way. Okay.
window edge.
That is nice. Window edge is always nice. There we go.
It's stuck.
Put some more bees in there out.
All right. They said the seat's pretty bad under here. Holy moly. That is all a giant wasp nest. I'm so glad it's dead. We'll just ignore that. All right, this is up on top. I like this Flybridge. The nicest seat in the whole place is up on the Flybridge. I believe this has been replaced. It's a little crunchy, but not. Yeah, we'll see if we can bring it back around. It's not terrible. We're gonna find out how it holds up.
Got moss, bread, got the shovel. How much of this stuff do you want? Like,
I don't want any of that stuff.
Wait.
Just don't want to break the glass. Well, this is my father-in-law. He's the expert.
Really? All right.
He's here to have a look-see-do at our project. Be careful of that deck. It's a little the way it is yet.
That's why I'm hanging on to everything I can grab a hold of.
Well, Ben's weeding the garden.
Yeah, got most of the weeds out.
He's shoveling the interior out here.
So this is what you think needs a little bit of help?
Yeah.
Really?
Well, yeah.
Oh, that head knocker. We've all got ourselves on it.
Times.
Yeah. I usually hit at least 3 times before I learn, and I still don't learn. Well, that doesn't look too complicated. But it doesn't look like it needs help.
Are we doing anything with that side too? Or
Yeah, the whole thing. And,
Putting these back in.
well, I don't like that particular window. The step's missing down there too, so.
Oh, right there.
Yeah. But yeah, this whole thing is completely rotted away.
Just looking to see if that's that's fiberglass.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's just this wood. Because this all up here is all fiberglass. Solid. The door's
That's a 3/4 door.
unique.
It looks like only 3/4 plywood.
Okay.
With a strip on the end there. We can do whatever we want, can't we?
Yep, it's our boat.
Are we taking that wall out in there too? Or-
Yeah, the whole bathroom, Dad, I think is just a closet.
The bathroom is what you were going to take out, right?
Yeah. And just eliminate it and maybe put like a countertop going across. It'll open up the inside a lot more if that bathroom's out of there.
Yeah.
And then we'll just stick the toilet underneath the seat in the front.
Look how dirty this is, folks. Oh yeah. Nice smiley face. Getting cleaner. That's the front of the boat now. A little bit more pleasant to look at. Just absolutely nasty. We're getting there though. Imagine that stain.
That would look good, stained. Well, while Ben's outside pressure washing so we can work on the engine decently, I'm gonna start cleaning out the inside of this thing, all the junk and everything, even all the cushions. I'm gonna see if all those can go, because we're just gonna make all new cushions. They're shot. So I'll keep you updated. So we're making some progress. Got throwing a bunch of stuff out. Get a better look at this big old wasp nest and the size of that thing. It's way bigger than a basketball. Underneath that piece of plywood was the water tank. Everything's fairly solid. I mean, it looks wet, but I think it's painted because it's not wet. It doesn't feel wet at all. It's really solid up in there. No rotten wood, which is great. So we're making progress on it. Yeah, I'm amazed at, for the rotten wall that we have, there's not a lot of other rotten wood. Even the transom is solid, the stringers are solid, we checked those, and it's not bad. This wall and down inside of here is our worst part. We're making some progress. We're just trying to get it cleaned up a little bit, and then we're gonna work on the engine. See if we can get that thing to rotate. So here's a view from the other direction here. Took the cable out and all that. We're just gonna totally rebuild that stuff. I really like it. We're gonna make it very functional, very usable, but certainly not back to any kind of factory specifications on it or anything like that. Just gonna make it more modernized, very functional. Here's one thing I really like. This piece of plexiglass here, tinted, says Monterey on it, the cup holders on the other side. That I really, really like. It just kind of looks neat. Here's my pile of junk I threw out of the boat earlier. So we were working out the steering a little bit, and Ben got that steering wheel turned. And look at this. It's turning.
Actually, not bad. I mean, it's not great, but it could be worse.
It's making some noises up there yet, but that means our cables are good. It was just simply locked up at the bearing in the steering wheel. Hey, it's getting better. Look at this.
Yeah, you can drive it like that. Not well, but good.
That makes me happy.
Uh-huh.